In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get phone service from Amazon. To get started, open the Amazon app or go to the official Amazon website, then sign in to your account. If you already shop on Amazon regularly, this part should be quick. Signing in first makes it easier to save your order, check compatibility details, and complete your purchase without interruptions. Once you're on Amazon, head to the search bar and look for phone service options. Good search terms include prepaid SIM card, eSIM, mobile plan, or the name of a carrier you prefer. This helps narrow the results so you can find services that match the type of phone setup you need. If your phone uses a physical SIM card, you'll want to focus on SIM listings. If your device supports eSIM, you can look specifically for digital activation options. After that, take some time to compare the available plans and service products. And this is one of the most important parts of the process, because not all options offer the same features. Look closely at how much data is included, whether talk and text are part of the plan, what the monthly or prepaid cost is, and whether the carrier has good coverage in your area. It's also helpful to read the product description carefully so you understand whether you're buying just a SIM card, a full service plan, or activation instructions. When you find the option that fits your needs, select that plan or SIM card and add it to your cart. Before moving on, double check that you've chosen the correct version, especially if there are different plan lengths, data limits, or activation types available. A quick review here can save time later. Next, proceed to checkout and complete your purchase. Follow the normal Amazon checkout process, confirm your delivery details, enter your payment information, and place the order. Make sure everything looks correct before submitting, especially if the item includes a time-sensitive activation or is tied to a specific carrier. Once your SIM card arrives or you receive the activation details, follow the instructions provided by the carrier to activate the service. Activation steps can vary depending on whether you purchased a physical SIM or an eSIM, so it's best to use the instructions included with the product. After activation is complete, insert the SIM card into your phone if needed, or configure the eSIM settings on your device. Once that's done, you can start using your new phone service. If anything doesn't work right away, give the phone a quick restart and check the carrier instructions again to make sure setup is fully complete.